Hi everyone, you are on How-FixIT. In this video guide, I'll show you how to replace the back cover on your Google Pixel phone. First, turn off your smartphone. Use a heat gun or hairdryer to heat up the surface of the back panel. Apply a suction cup to the back panel and press down. Pull up on the suction cup and insert the point of a plastic mediator into the gap. Slide the plastic mediator across the phone frame to slice the adhesive. But do not push the mediator into the case too much, so not as to damage the internal elements of the device. Use isopropyl alcohol to clean off any remaining adhesive. Apply new adhesive tape to the back cover. If the back cover becomes unstuck from the phone frame, you can additionally glue the cover with B7000 glue. The repair is over. You are on How-FixIT, and see you next time.